Hello everyone, this is Mazhar Ali and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Learning Digitally. Today I am going to initiate a new course for you, that is the Artificial Intelligence for Educators. In this course we will explore the basics of artificial intelligence, how to ethically and effectively implement the artificial intelligence in your daily practices, how to manage the students, how to manage the classroom, and how to generate the lesson planning, how to generate the rubrics, and several other things. This course, in fact, are very important for you if you are involved in the education system. If you are a teacher, this will be beneficial for you. If you are part of the school management or college management or university management or any educational institution management, this course is for you. So this is a multi-dimensional course, so don't miss it. Subscribe to Learning Digitally now and press the bell icon that you may get the notifications of my upcoming lectures, talks and trainings. Now let's dive into the first lecture of this course, that is the introduction of this course. Once again, welcome to the online course, an essential guide to artificial intelligence for educators. Friends, artificial intelligence, or commonly called AI, is the simulation of human intelligence possessed by machines, especially computer systems. AI can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perceptions, speech recognition, decision making, and language translation. Artificial intelligence has been used in various fields for decades. In healthcare, AI has been used to diagnose diseases, predict patient outcomes, and develop personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI has been used to detect fraud, predict market trends, and automate stock trading. In transportation, AI has been used to develop self driving cars and optimize traffic flow. In education, artificial intelligence has been used to support student learning, streamline administrative tasks, and adapt assessment online. With the current advancements in AI, we are now in time where it is possible for AI to personalize learning experiences for students based on their individual needs and learning styles. It can also automate grading and provide feedback to students, saving teachers time and effort. Additionally, AI can streamline administrative tasks such as attendance tracking and scheduling, allowing teachers to focus on teaching. Artificial intelligence is a complex field with many technical terms and concepts. Understanding these terms can help you better understanding how AI works and how it can be used in your practice. So I suggest you to focus these terms, remember them and learn them carefully because these terms will be used in coming lectures. Number 1, artificial intelligence. As I discussed already, that AI refers to computer systems that are designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These systems can learn from experience, recognize patterns, make decisions, and solve problems. In simpler terms, AI is about creating machines that can think and act like humans, making them capable of understanding, learning, and making decisions on their own. Another important term is a machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. As we human learn from environment, same machine learning learns from the data. Machine learning is used in many applications such as image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Third important term is a natural language processing, commonly called NLP. NLP is a type of AI that allows machines to understand and interpret human languages. It is used in applications such as virtual assistants, chatbots, and language translation. Then neural networks. Neural networks are a type of AI that is modeled after the structure of the human brain. They are used in applications such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition. Number 5, large language model. A large language model is a type of AI that is trained on a large amount of text data and can generate new text that is similar in style and tone to the original data. It is used in applications such as language translation, text summarization, and content creation. ChatGPT is an example of a large language model. Another term is hallucinations. Hallucinations are a type of error that can occur in AI systems where the system generates content that is not correct but sounds correct. This can happen when the system is not properly trained or when it is exposed to biased or incomplete data. The seventh term is OpenAI. OpenAI is a company that has created ChatGPT, a large language model that will be used throughout this course. By understanding these common terms and concepts, teacher can better understand how AI works and how it can be used in education. It is important to be aware of the potential benefits and limitations of AI and to use it in a responsible and ethical way. By the end of the course, you will be able to familiarize yourself with the AI and get started using ChatGPT. You will save time on lesson planning and administrative tasks. You will create engaging, personalized learning experiences for students. So, by the end of this course, you will have a better understanding of AI and how it can be used to enhance teaching and learning experiences. You will also be equipped with the knowledge and resources to incorporate AI into your teaching practices in a responsible and ethical way. Now we are doing an activity. So take out your phones and try to identify at least one to two applications that use AI. So you may find these one to two applications on Google Chrome's search engine. For example, if your phone is able to recognize your face, this is a form of A. Now even you may work on Google Bird, that is another LLM, to check your work by cutting and pasting the prompt. So these are the practices, these are the activities which you have to do. Hope you have found the two applications through the Google Chrome or even the Google Play stations, and you have used to know that either they are AI based applications or not. Now please generate a list of 10 to 20 common apps on smartphones that use AI, machine learning or NLP, and briefly explain in sentence or two sentences how they use them. Please do not include Siri, Amazon, Alexa, Netflix or Google Maps. Okay, what will you write about these AI based applications in one or two sentences? Write those sentences in comment box that I may know how much you learn and how much you get through these AI based applications. As you have seen in the activity in my previous slide you just completed, AI has been used in various fields such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. In recent years, AI has become more prevalent in our daily lives through the use of virtual assistants and other commonly used tools that leverage AI and machine learning. Examples of AI and machine learning in everyday life. For example, Siri. Siri is a virtual assistant that uses natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to user requests. Siri can perform tasks such as setting reminders, sending messages, and making phone calls. Amazon Alexa is another virtual assistant that uses NLP and machine learning to understand and respond to user requests. Alexa can perform tasks such as playing music, setting alarm, and controlling smart home devices. Then Netflix uses machine learning algorithms to recommend movies and TV shows to users based on their viewing history and preferences. This personalized recommendation system has helped Netflix become one of the most popular streaming services in the world. And then the Google Maps. Google Maps uses AI and machine learning to provide real-time traffic updates and suggest the fastest route to destination. This has made it easier for people to navigate and plan their daily commutes. These are just a few examples of how artificial intelligence and machine learning have been used in everyday life. In education, AI has been used to support student learning, adapt assessment, and analyze student data to identify key trends. Now let's learn ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It is designed to generate human-like text based on patterns in a large data set of text from the internet. ChatGPT uses natural language processing to understand and respond to user input. Before going to ChatGPT in advance, now we have to learn some key things to know about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is using training data. ChatGPT was trained on a massive data set of text from the internet, which included text from websites, books, and other sources. ChatGPT was created using a deep learning algorithm called a transformer. This algorithm is designed to process sequential data such as text and can learn to generate new text based on patterns in the data. ChatGPT can be used for variety of applications such as generating text, answering questions, and providing recommendations. By understanding how ChatGPT was created and trained, teachers can better understand its capabilities and limitations. In the next section, we will explore how to use ChatGPT in the classroom in a responsible and ethical way. Now we learn the current capabilities of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that has many capabilities. Here are some of the key capabilities of ChatGPT. Number one, text generation. ChatGPT can generate human-like text on a variety of topics, such as writing prompts, summaries, and explanations. This can be useful for generating content for lesson plans, assignments, and assessments. Number two property of the ChatGPT is answering questions. ChatGPT can answer questions on a variety of topics. This can be useful for providing students with the quick and accurate answers to their questions or for generating discussion prompts based on student questions. Number three property of ChatGPT is recommendations. ChatGPT can provide recommendations on a variety of topics such as books, articles, and videos. This can be useful for providing students with personalized recommendations based on their interests and learning needs. Number four property of ChatGPT is the translation. ChatGPT can translate text from one language to another language. This can be useful for supporting students who speak different languages for providing access to resources in different languages. And number fifth is a summarization. ChatGPT can summarize long pieces of text into shorter, more concise summaries. This can be useful for helping students to understand complex text or for generating study materials. Our next lecture will be on lesson planning and assignments, that how lesson planning may be generated or assignment may be assessed using the artificial intelligence tools. So we will learn rubric using artificial intelligence models. That will be important training and lecture. So you must watch that. I advise you one thing more, that please note all things which we learned through this lecture. Make a short notes that you may recall when you get free time. Thank you very much for watching this training lecture. I shall upload lecture 2 or training 2 tomorrow. So wait till tomorrow. Till that, watch this video again and write your comments and what assignment I had given to you in the comment box. Your feedback is a very much important for us. Take care, stay blessed.